Have you been looking for a family-friendly area where you can let your kids play out front and you don't have to worry about traffic flying by? Are you looking for an entertainer's dream? This property comes equipped with gemstone lighting, built-in sound system, and is solar equipped so that you can save on those electrical bills. Welcome to 287 Cimarron Vista Court. Welcome to the main floor of this beautiful property. My favorite part is these massive windows pouring in the natural light into this level. Now, one thing that blows my mind is with a property that's walking distance to almost anything, you have a large level of privacy and just an absolute oasis in the backyard. Now, I know we've been talking about an entertainer's dream. Let me show you what that actually looks like. Now just look at this backyard. It's perfect for the kids that want to get out and play or the people that just want that private area to hang out. The best part is if you have your kids out here, you can be up top flipping patties, hanging out with family while you're watching over the kids, or if you have a lot of people over, you have two entertainment areas that everybody can be enjoying that hot summer day. So what did you think of this gorgeous home? Isn't it an entertainer's dream? If you want more information on this house, our information's below. Give us a shout, or if you just like watching cool property tours, hit a follow and we'll see you on the next one.